Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I know I haven't done a video for a while, but here I am today. I'll be showing a very simple video on how to make a whipped pumpkin seed body butter. And these are all the butters you need. Here it is. The muru muru looks a lot like coconut oil, and if you don't have muru muru, you can also substitute with coconut oil in this recipe. I have mango butter and muru muru butter melted here. Just adding some pumpkin seed oil into the mix. As you can see, it's such a vibrant color. This is an amazing oil. It's unrefined and organic and enriches the skin so beautifully. You can see how it just changes the color and gives actually the end vibrant brownish color that looks so beautiful. You would also need vanilla essential oil or just simply vanilla. It's just a simple addition to the butter, and everybody has vanilla at home. You can then go ahead and add some essential oils. I like to pair the vanilla scent with some citrusy essential oil. So it could be tangerine essential oil, grapefruit essential oil, or even lemon essential oil. So I'm just going in here and whisking it. As you can see, the mix is really liquidy at this point. This is such a simple mix. You can just do it in less than 5 minutes. And I just decided to whip up this small batch because I ran out of my most essential body butter that I make. And it's the fall season and there's pumpkin spice all over the place. And I decided to just make this for myself. As you can see, the color remains brownish, and this is because of the pumpkin seed oil that I added into it. And I really appreciate people that reached out to me because I've been gone. I was gone for quite a while. Obviously, the COVID situation made everybody get so busy at home, and I had to homeschool my kids, so I wasn't making that many videos. But now things are letting up a bit more, so I can go ahead and make these videos. And the holidays here, and everyone is in a happy mood, so I just want to brighten up your day with this little video. And those people that reached out to me, I was actually surprised because I don't make beautiful videos, in my opinion. I just put out content that is informative, but it was really nice hearing from them. And I will be adding a coupon code on the description box for anyone that wants to purchase the ingredients and make theirs at home. You would find the coupon in the description box, and it would give you 15% off all the products on our website. So if you want to stock up on butters, oils, or waxes to make your own body butter at home for gifts or for yourself, and this is the right time to do that. So you can see how the butter just transforms and changes. And you can actually use mango or kokum butter. The two of them will do the same for you because muru muru is really light. And if you decide to use coconut instead of muru muru, then it's also quite light. So you would need something to thicken up the butter so you can get this end product that looks like this. So you can use mango or kokum. I just like when it gets to this stage because it's so creamy, and the oil does a lot to make it look like this. That's why I really like pumpkin seed oil. I use this butter for my hair and for my skin. It's very moisturizing and creamy. And here I'm just putting it into the jars. This is such a simple DIY that you can make within 5 minutes, like I said, and you can actually have people help you out, your kids to be precise. I have one just by my side. You would see him if you look close. Yeah, that's him just peeping in to see, oh, what's smelling so nicely. And that's the vanilla paired with grapefruit essential oil, and it just makes a nice combination right there for you. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and happy holidays. Take care of yourself and be happy. Bye.